Okay. Yeah. Nag-assemble kami ng vanity. May vanity. Yan siya. Assemble. Mas barato man kung kami rin mag-assemble kay kung papalit ko kag vanity, oh my god, kamahal. Dili pa kuha na kung bana kay ingon siya. He looks scrappy. Yeah, yan. It's not easy, guys. Right, darling?
Yeah, not easy. A lot of work.
A lot of work. Yeah. Ano lang yan siya? Screw. Yeah, okay there. What's next? What's next to be assembled? I'm here. It's not easy. Thank you, my love. Aray ko. It's not easy to assemble.
Told them all that.
Hindi pa tapos. Matagal pa. Cabinet na lang, cabinet. So, honey, the 31 gonna be on this side and 31 and 30 here. It doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, it matters.
So, which one is the 30? It's on the right, on the left?
30's on that side.
Okay, 30 on this side. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. It's gonna be like this. And where's the number 14? It's not, hindi madali, ang hirap. Pero saves money kay we bought only $300 including the what's it, chair. If we buy the already assembled of our vanity, it's gonna be 700 or more. Look. Yan na siya. Ito yung mga drawer. Yeah. We've been assembling already for 3 hours, right, darling?
Mm-hmm.
We almost there. Konting kimbot na lang, konting kimbot. My honey is already tired. So I'm helping him. Hey. Sorry, dear, you're not busy. I'm the only one
That's
busy.
good.
He doesn't want to see the camera because he said he's scrappy. I look scrappy. Right, my love? He's so tired. Look, the cabinet. Yeah. Lagay lang namin dito sa kama kasi hindi kasi ito pwedeng i-assemble sa baba kasi pag i-assemble sa baba, mahirap iakyat. Kaya inassemble namin dito sa kwarto. Pero i-change ko naman yung cobre kama mamaya kasi parang makati. Right, my love?
You still have to put the bottom on that.
Yeah, later. You will be the one to do it.
Okay.
Help me. At least I'm gonna do it all these drawers. Did I do the right side, honey? This is gonna be here, right?
What?
Yeah, because this is the top, behind. The number 12 is up front. Yeah, it's correct. I did the right. Napagod na yung asawa ko. Ang hirap na pagka matanda. Honey, I said, you're tired now because it's not easy to be an old man. Right, darling? Ganyan lang siya. It's gonna be the top, right, honey? 12 is on the top.
Mm-hmm. You gotta put the knob on there.
Yeah, I know.
That's what that hole's for.
Yeah, I know. Ang hirap. Kahapon pa to, nag-umpisa nag-assemble yung asawa ko. Hindi pa namin matapos-tapos. Pero siya lang kahapon ngayon, tinulungan ko kasi pag hindi, Diyos ko. Tapos ito, ilalak to. May lock siya. May lock siya sa loob. kasi pag bumili kami ng ano na yahan eh, yung assemble na ang mahal.
Make sure you're not square. You need to be square. There.
Yeah, wait first. May ano siya na ilalagay dito sa gilid para malak ang ano. Tapos lalagyan pa to ng ano sa sa ano. Yan. Tapos lalagyan pa siya ng cover dito sa likod. Mamaya tulungan ako ng asawa ko. Nagpahinga pa siya kasi napagod. Mag-rest muna siya for 10 minutes. Honey, show the camera there. Say hi to them. Huh? You'll be the one to tighten, honey ba? Another. There's 2 more. Ito. Dalawa pa. Kasi ano yung drawer, 6. 6 siya. Kailangan may ang instruction sundin kasi pag hindi siya mag-ano. So 30 gonna be here there.
Yeah.
And 31 gonna be here. Yeah, correct. Am I doing good?
Yeah.
Remove your feet there.
Why?
Okay, it's okay. No problem. Give me the screw.
Right there.
So, 2 more. 2 more.
Right there.
Yeah. Malapit na siya matapos. Are you tired, dear?
Yeah.
Allen wrench rin yung ginakuha na ni ginagamit mga Allen wrench, mga kanang sina siya. What do you call this there?
Phillips.
Phillips. Mga ingani Allen wrench mo ray gamito niya. Nalay mga screw basta sundon lang ang instruction mahimo jud pero dugay lagi oy. Gikapoy. Wa jud puy nahimo karong adlaw maghinlo unta ko kasilyas. Vacuum des taas pero sa silong sa baba na nalinis ko na. Maglilinis pa ng kubeta. Mamaya ko nalinisan. Hindi kasi ako nagano kasi nagsimba ako kanina. Kaya hapon na ito na umpisahan namin ng asawa ko. You tighten more later, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Kailangan talagang pasok sa loob. Na ano para ayan. Pumasok. Where's the other one? My instructor is sitting pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Right, darling?
Mm-hmm.
What price you want? Huh? I'm a bit hungry there.
Mm-hmm. You're always hungry.
No cooking today.
You have empty pit.
I have empty plate. Yeah. Yay! One more. One more, I'm done, okay? It's correct. 30, 31 here. pa na natapos. Almost done. Cabinet na lang yung ilalagay siya dito, oh, sa loob. Bukas na. Pagod na kaming dalawa. Ito na. Almost there. Kulang na lang yung ano. What do you call that, honey?
Rail.
Rail. Yung rail dito sa cabinet para maipasok siya sa loob. Yun na lang ang kulang. Pagod na. What time right now is 6 o'clock?
Something like that.
Almost 6 o'clock. Nag-umpisa kami ng 2 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, 4 hours. Diyos ko. Pagod na yung asawa ko. Kaya sabi niya bukas na naman. Kaya, kasi kung hindi kami bumili ng itong kami lang nag-assemble, ang mahal. Kaya sabi, kasi bumili kami ng dining set bago lang din, mahal din. So sabi niya, ito na lang. Okay naman. Yan lang naman pag may lalagyan ako ng mga gamit ba. Kasi yung walk-in closet ko, garambol. Okay there. Thank you so much. Honey pa. Thank you. This is my love. My good husband, but he's a strict man, but he's good. Okay guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye. God bless everyone.